Hi everyone, I'm Anil Kumar, LLB coach and motivational speaker. Today, I would like to speak about how to prepare for your AIBE examination, All India Bar Examination. How to prepare? That is most important. Why? Because many of the students have been requested to make video on AIBE examination. I have already made AIBE examination and syllabus of AIBE examination. In this video, I am going to tell informative tips how to prepare for your AIBE examination. My dear friends, AIBE examination is not easy. It is little bit to crack. Why? Because they may extract anywhere of your syllabus. So syllabus means you will have 19 subjects, which constitutional law 10 marks, Indian penal code 8 marks, criminal procedure code 10 marks, CPC civil procedure code 10 marks, evidence act 8 marks, alternative dispute redressal including arbitration act 4 marks, family law 8 marks, public interest litigation 4 marks, administrative law 3 marks, professional ethics and cases of professional misconduct under Bar Council of India 4 marks, company law 2 marks, environmental law 2 marks, cyber law 2 marks, labor and industrial law 4 marks, law of tort including motor vehicle act and consumer protection law 5 marks, law related to taxation 4 marks, law of contract, specific relief, property laws, negotiable instrument act, which is 8 marks, land acquisition act 2 marks, intellectual property laws 2 marks. So which contains 100 marks. So among these 100 marks, you need to focus more and more on constitutional law like civil procedure code, criminal procedure code, Indian penal code, evidence act, and many more like law of torts. So like that you have to be more and more concentrate. So whatever you have studied, the same only will be coming, but you have to thoroughly go through about bare acts. Bare acts you have to study at least 3 to 4 pages of front pages of 3 to 4 pages. There will be index. So in that index pages, all sections which will be contains that bare acts. So all the section you have to be go through. So whenever in the asking the questions in the examination, you should be know where exactly that question belongs to, which subject that belongs to and which section belongs to. So at least you should have an idea to identify it. So otherwise, so you have 3 hours of time, 100 marks you have to be covered. Like there will be a multiple choice questions. So you have to attend multiple choice questions. My advice is to firstly what you have to do is whatever you know that you have to make it ticket. Means you have to mark it in the answer sheet. So whether it could be in criminal procedure code, whether it could be in Indian penal code, whether it could be constitutional law, whether it could be evidence act, whatever it is there, whatever you know very well, that you have to mark it initially. Initially all 100 questions, whatever you know that you have to mark it in the specific question. For that answer you have to mark it. A, B, C, D will be there, multiple choice question. There will be 4 choices among which you know very well that you have to complete it. So after that, whichever you know you don't know much, then you have to start for those questions. You have to dig in the bare acts. Only bare acts can be allowed in the examination. Other than that, no notes, no nothing, and no textbooks you have to take. So only bare acts will be allowed in the examination. So before that you have to be thorough about bare acts. So bare acts at least minimum like there will be a code of civil procedure 1908. So you have to be go through at least like part 1, part 2, there will be a sections, orders, and 3 to 4 pages this contains. You have to be thoroughly, you have to be know. So where they ask that you should know, so that you can able to dig it in the Bare Act and you can able to choose your answers. So that is very important. So before that, so you have 26 days of time to crack your AIBE examination. So hopefully this month, November 2023, 26th, you will have an examination to write this AIBE. So before that, you have to prepare. You have to purchase Bare Acts. So 19 Bare Acts you have to purchase. So from 19 Bare Acts, at least you should know 2 to 3 pages of front pages. That you have to be thoroughly, you have to verify it. So if you have time, definitely you can able to, even inside also you can able to study. So previous year questions, that for your only, your reference. Previous year questions, they will not ask even single questions in the AIBE examination. In every year they used to incorporate in the question paper new questions. They'll extract. There will be a very good team in the AIBE. So overall, prepare for this examination question paper. That will be little bit tough. So they'll be extract in a different manner and different angle. We must know at least all the aspects of the particular subjects. So even though case class related they may ask, even though the definitions they may ask, even though they may ask even sections related. So anywhere, any point of they can ask in the AIBE examination. At least you should have an idea. So what to opt, that is very important. You may not know everything, at least you know something about the subject. If you know something about the subject, so that we can able to verify in the Bare Act where it is exactly available. So if you follow these methods, so you can go through previous year questions and answers, but they may not use. Only you can able to have an idea about what kind of questions they may ask and what type of questions they may ask. That will come to know. That is only thing you can able to verify your previous year questions and answers. But my advice, sincerely you have to study about Bare Acts. So you have to be thoroughly about Bare Acts. So where to search and research is very important. Search and research is very important in the AIBE examination. If you search very well, you can able to find answers in a easy manner in the Bare Acts. So that is what I need to clarify in this video. I hope this video have been clarified about how to crack your AIBE examination and what are all the subjects you have, what are all the subjects carries marks, 100 marks you have. So within 3 hours of time you have to complete it. So many of the students, they may not have got sufficient time to, 3 hours is not enough to find out dig of your respective answers. So my advice, firstly what you have to do is, whatever you know very well, that you have to tick it, and after that whichever you are not knowing, then you need to find out from the answers from the Bare Acts. So sometimes you may not find answers in the Bare Acts also, because case laws related will not get in the Bare Acts. So only you have to be concentrate on your studies. At least whenever you are studying in the LLB examination, you have already made the notes. That is also very useful. If you go through that notes at least 1 time or 2 times, that also will be get remembering of case laws, remembering of sections, remembering of subsection, remembering of articles and citations. Whatever it is there, you will have an idea. So you can able to crack very easily if you follow these methods. So minimum you have to get minimum of 50 marks in the examination. So for general 50 marks, and for SC and SC and ST you will have to pass at least minimum 45 marks. So if you study like this, definitely obviously you can able to crack your AIBE examination. I hope this video have been clarified about the doubts regarding AIBE examination. So how to prepare for your AIBE examination, that also I have been explained in this video. I hope this video have been clarified about your the doubts. Please do subscribe my channel Kumar, so that you will notified very good videos pertaining to your TS LLB and PIRS LLB. Thank you.